Hello, welcome back to the channel and to our 6th hot day here in Croatia. Today we're going to Plitvice Lakes. It's probably pronounced totally wrong. So if you want to join us, please carry on, watch this video and we'll see you when we get to the lake. Bye for now. What's this? Raskow, isn't it? Woodwater Falls over there. Yeah. Not got time to go down there though, but we've only got a 10-minute stop, so we can't see much, can we? I know. Nice waterfalls there, we'll see more hopefully later on. It's certainly warm enough again. So here we are, managed to get here. With Bloopers Lakes. Probably pronounced that totally wrong. Well, that was a long hot journey. About 3 3/4 hours it's taken us. But we're here. Yes, I've got a picture of that. So here's the entrance. Plitvice Lakes. Hopefully we don't have to queue up, we should have tickets to go in. So here we've got to wait in front of the big brown bear for it to get tickets. Plitvice Lakes. I'm saying it all wrong, but we've only got a certain time here, so we're not going to get around a lot of it. But we'll enjoy it anyway. Looks very nice. We're through. We're through. Well, that's impressive. Certainly impressive. So what we decided to do was get the really good views. Well, it's certainly beautiful. Got to keep my eye on tow party, else I'll get lost.
It's a busy place.
Going to colony.
Impressive waterfall, isn't it, that one? No, I could see getting here early in the morning is a lot better.
Yeah.
For when it opens. Some fishes there. We've got a traffic jam. I think we've got a traffic jam. It's beautiful though, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've got a traffic jam.
Look at that one.
Gotta catch up with Barty.
Oh, that's why.
That's all the waterfalls done. Working his way up to go across on a boat now. We've only done a third of it, so and it's very, very busy, as you can see from the video. So we'll carry on and we'll get on a boat. Look at some little fish. Ready for the boat, and then the train. I didn't realise they had a train. No, I knew they had boats, but I didn't know they had a train. No. On the boat. So we're halfway through. No, I think I'm alright. I'll put my socks on a bit. Yeah, I think I'll do it. Yeah. Oh, we had best part today. It's clouded over now, isn't it? Yeah. We saw it at its best. Busy. Busy best. Like you say, you can walk round lake as well, can't you? Yeah. I think I can see where we're going to dock. Nearly to the end. That's his little boat. Good fish down there. We haven't seen any wild animals yet. You can top it up if you want.
No, it's alright. I've got that one on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I walk up the hill. Heard any wild boars yet?
No, but I'll tell you what, if horses. If you go first and you see one,
I'll shout.
then we'll hop on it and get it.
If you see me freeze, you know there's a bear there.
There's no outline.
That was certainly a cram train, that one.
I don't think this time.
So we're on another walk now to the right entrance exit. And then
I've lost track.
this takes us back to where we come in, to where the coach is going to be.
Yeah, I'm presuming it does.
And it's spitting with rain.
That's good.
It's spitting.
I'll have a visit to the toilet when we get there. When we get on that day.
The last view. I think we're close to where we started. We certainly done some walking today. Nearly back, I think. We're nearly back. It's a nice woodland walk though. And we still keep going. Right, so that's where we went down. And this is where we started. Right, well, that was last view.
You might get some stuff.
Right, so we're back to the entrance. Well, it's been a really good day. Very busy, but it's been a good day. Another place off the tick list. Find a coach now.
Yeah, it was lovely actually.
Yeah, it was. Another one off your tick list.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see where we're going next. A couple of bears that have been rescued because the mum and dad got killed. So this place looks after them. So they are captive, but they're well looked after. So there's one of the bears. You probably can't see him, he's in the background there. I'll try and get him on my phone. One brown bear. Right, I hope you enjoyed the day out with us today at Plitvice Lakes. I can't see it properly. And also that little trip to see the brown bears here, which are in captivity, like I said, because the mum and dad were killed. So we'll go back to coach now. If you like what you've seen, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and also clicking that notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video from Croatia. So it's our last full day tomorrow, and we've got another excursion tomorrow. So if you want to see that, please don't forget, click that notification bell. It'll tell you when we've uploaded it. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.